Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. Welcome back to MNC Technologies. In this video, I'm going to explain a very important example code, that is how can we find the triplets? How can we find the triplets? Triplets means a set of three numbers, which are divisible by whose sum is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 means what? When you perform mod operation, remainder should be 0. That is the simple question. Now here, let me take one array and how can we execute? I'm explaining. Random values I'm taking. For example, 2, 8, 3, 1, 4, 6, 5, 9. I'm taking, suppose 7. Random values we are taking like this. Now here, we need to find out the triplets. Find out the triplets whose sum is divisible by 5. How can we? First, the number 2, this one. The number 2 is checking with 8 and 3. Number 2 is checking with 8 and 3. All possibilities I am writing. 2, 8, 3. Sir, how can we check? Next, the number. See, for that, I am writing one for loop. For I equals to 0, this is 0th index. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total length is array dot length. If you give 9, because index is starting with 0, total 9 elements are there. How long we need to repeat? How long? Let me explain. First one, we are taking 2 with 8 and 3. The first loop we are taking, and inside one more loop I am taking j equals to I plus 1. So I equals to 0, j equals to 1. Inside, because triplets, we are taking k equals to j plus 1. So k equals to 2. We are taking 3 loops like this. So here it is a I, j, k. I value 0, j value 1, k value 2 in the first iteration. So we are checking if a of I value plus array a of j value plus a of k value, the total value is divisible with 5. When mod equals to 0, then simply we are printing a of I, comma, with comma separators I am writing a of j, comma, a of k. We are writing like this. This is the simple way of coding this challenge. But how long we need to repeat the loop? So first one is executing. Next one, comparison. Here it is a inner loop only repeats. K value become 3. So 2, 8. Here it is a k value become 3 means what? This one will repeat 1, 2, 8, 1. Next one, k value become 4. Nothing but 2, 8, 4. Next one is a 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 5, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 7. Up to here you need to repeat. So k less than or equals to arr dot length minus 1 k plus plus. Up to last one we need to repeat. Up to here it is completed. Then inner loop will be terminated. K. So control will go to outer. So I value become 1 now. I value become 1. So now this is I. Next j value starting with I plus 1 means what? 2. Now J value this one. Like 8, 3, 1. Next 8, 3, 4. 8, 3, 6. 8, 3, 5. 8, 3, 9. 8, 3, 7. These are the things it will change. Combination. Next outer loop will change. I value 2. This is I value now. So this is J value. So it is checking that 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 6, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 9, 3, 1, 7, like this. How long means finally it will be I value, it will be J value, it will be K value. Of course, K we are repeating to end. So J value you should repeat array dot or a dot length minus 2, and here it is I less than or equal to arr dot length minus 3 is I plus plus and it is a J plus plus. This is the way we are executing this code, the simple way of writing, finding the triplets whose sum is divisible by 5. Now let me write the code, the same code. Let me explain. I'll show you that example. I'll show you that example. Here it is. I'm taking the array. ARR are simply A. Array representation. Directly I'm taking values 2831, 2831, 465, 465, 9797. Now let me write the code. For loop int I equals to 0, I less than or equals to a dot length minus 3, I plus plus. Next for int j equals to 0, j less than or equal to a dot length minus 2, j plus plus. Inside int k equals to 0, k less than or equals to a dot length minus 1, k plus plus. The three loops. First, let me show you total how many iterations are there. Simply system.out.println, that is a of I. All triplets I am showing with the comma separator. A of j with the comma separator. A of k. I am simply displaying all triplets. Before and after, I just want to display parenthesis also. You just concatenate, you know already well. See so many triplets generated with all values, all triplets generated, all triplets. But among all triplets, the question is display the triplets only which are divisible with the 5, with the 5. So if that a of I plus a of j plus a of k, that sum is divisible with 5 is nothing but mod 5 equals to 0. Then only display those triplets. Now look at this. Let me show you that output. See, the first one is a 2 plus 2 plus 1. Why it is giving so many 2, 2? Because instead of giving this, whenever you are doing this one, here automatically you are comparing 2 with the 2 also. Don't compare with the same number. So j equals to I plus 1, k equals to j plus 1, as we discussed. Now if you try to understand, see these are the triplets. Look at this, 2 plus 8 plus 5, 15. Yes, it is divisible. 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10, divisible. 2 plus 1 plus 7, 10, divisible. 2 plus 4 plus 9, yes, divisible. The triplets which are divisible, some of the triplets which are divisible by 5, these many are there. you need to display. This is the output for the given example. Please practice and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.